it's Greg Luther, and I'm out here at the horse barn this morning. It is freezing cold here in the state of Ohio, but out here at the horse barn watching some of my horses train. Many of you know I've got some trotters and pacers. I own a whole bunch of race horses. Little side note for you, never invest in anything that eats while you sleep. But this has always been a passion of mine, so wanted to share it with you guys here. We've got a whole bunch of horses coming on and off the track right now. I own about 35 that are racing right now, and I wanted to show you actually as they're coming by on the racetrack. Let me turn this around for you here, maybe. Here they come. So here's a couple of them that we have racing right now. I should say training right now, getting ready to race. These are called trotters and pacers. And I'd love to show you inside the barn. Unfortunately, we don't get a good signal in there, so it's kind of windy and cold out here and all of that, but I've got 35, 40 racehorses at any time. So this is my big passion outside of real estate. This is what we like to do. So a lot of times weekends, and certainly in the summertime around the county fairs, this is where I'm spending all of my time. So those of you that love horses, I'm sure you can relate with the passion that everybody has with that. These things are truly healthy as a horse. They're taken care of a lot better than I even take care of myself. So anyway, just wanted to show you a quick little glimpse of this here. We've got about 10 horses on the racetrack right now. I'll give you a little glance of them coming by. Unfortunately, it's a cloudy, cold day today. But again, these are trotters and pacers, so they race. That's called a jog cart or a race bike there. And this is what they race in. So I've got about 11 employees that work for me with all these racehorses here, so we've got a lot of people involved. This is a pretty big industry for us here, so this is why I sell a whole bunch of houses. I'm sure for a whole lot of you, my whole life I wanted to sell a ton of houses, coach a bunch of agents, do a lot of luxury deals, because I want to make money to pursue my passions and my hobbies. So it's all about enjoying your life as well. So anyway, wanted to show you a quick little glimpse of that here today. This is a brand new training center we just built as well. We've got 6 big barns out here. It's on about 35 acres, lots of fields, that type of thing. So tons of fun. This is all we're doing on a weekend. Go out there and sell some houses. You can do what you want to do as well. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do, but you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below, because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below, and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.